And then I saw that every pullback to the VWAP is being bought back up, added heavy, very heavy. I went really heavy on NVIDIA pop, added more all the way up to 345, and now I'm flat. All right, guys, good morning, everybody. Andrew, I'm back from my trip. Well, it was a long trip, Vancouver, Toronto, New York City, Washington, Doha, Tanzania, Istanbul, and then back to Vancouver last night. And yeah, so I'm excited back to be in the office for a couple of weeks. We have, remember that we have the Vancouver meetup on December 3rd, which will be next Friday, not this Friday, next Friday. I got this jacket for the party after that in Istanbul. I think it's actually a really cool jacket. I got 4, so maybe I get some Mike, Carlos, and Norm also put them on. Yeah, so that was the good trip that I had. A lot of meetings, a lot of climbing, and I'm back to trading. So market gapped up significantly today. Very, very, very heavy today. Just because President Biden reconfirmed Jeremy Powell as the chairman of the Fed, and Jeremy Powell is the person who is just known to help the market goes up, keep the interest rate, and the market really liked it, especially QQQ, and it really liked it. So today for me I had 3 trades, 2 really amazing trades on NVIDIA and Apple, and 1 messed up trade on Tesla that I lost money, but eventually turned out to be really nice for me. So Apple opened very strong at all-time high, just ripping higher. So a very beautiful ABCD pattern, really nice, turned out to be a really nice 5-minute opening range breakup as well. You know this pattern if you're following us, amazing. Just Ayman is a master of this kind of trading. I jumped it at 162.50, sold some. I saw heavy pullback, added more, and I rode it all the way up to 165. I am actually long 279 shares still in there. So as you see, this is a very beautiful ABCD pattern, a really nice heavy add on it, and amazing move. And it turned out to be a really nice 5-minute opening range breakup as well. So that was really nice. Same concept on NVIDIA. I had NVIDIA. I jumped in a little bit too earlier on that. So I didn't wait for the first minute. I really strong squeeze above the VWAP, buy on the pullback at 337, sold R4, and then I saw that every pullback to the VWAP is being bought back up, added heavy, very heavy. I went really heavy on NVIDIA pop, added more all the way up to 345, and now I'm flat on it. So I had a really solid on there. Am I gonna short it? No. Would it be possible that it's a 920 trade? Possibly. I mean, yeah, he actually did a really nice 920 trade on it if you wanted to trade that. And Tesla was the same idea, 5-minute opening range breakup, but I just couldn't hold it properly, and I lost in that. Really strong at the open. I jumped in this pullback, but I just couldn't hold it, and it just popped up a sold, and I didn't know exactly what I'm doing. Eventually popped up all the way up to 1194. I lost money on this because I lost money on the spread, but you did eventually squeeze up. Very nice 5-minute opening range breakup. I was just not confident on that. And NIO was another one that I took only a small share size. I had a decent profit on it at the open. It was just, I just jumped in the 1,000 share at the open. It really never waited for a 1-minute opening range breakup. A better entry would have been 40.89, but I got in at 40.50, added a little bit more, and went all the way up to 42.40. I know Thor is in there, and Brian also took that trade. So that was from me, 3 awesome trade and really amazing. And yeah, so I'm gonna actually sell my Apple all out. So I'm just flat on TNA. I have 16,000 shares of TNA that I'm holding on that. So I'm just all flat on that. I had a really solid day. So Brian, how was your day? You mentioned that, please.
Good, good. I got this opening range breakout on NEO. Actually ended up trading it twice because after it got through 41 and higher, I sold out of it, and then I just traded it when it went back through 42. So got it twice, and I took a DKNG short at the open, and it dropped back down, held previous day close, so I got out of most of it.
Yeah.
And yeah, and other than that, Jared and I just did a couple of did a trade on RBLX. We got a nice
setting up. How did you trade it? Wow.
Yeah, we got it right at the bottom there.
Wow.
And now I got yeah.
Kind of
Right around 126.
Very nice. 126 pop. Yeah.
Yeah.
Very nice.
So
No, it was amazing. RBLX was really extended on the daily chart, so I'm not surprised that really couldn't hold this, and the stocks really want to pull back to the mean. So I'm not really surprised to see that. So obviously that's something that is interesting here. Excellent. So I know
yeah,
Thor is gonna
it was a
do
good
a
day, and
recap
then
for us. It would be amazing to see how he traded, because he trades. We might, Thor and I might have done the same trade, but how we see the price action and how we analysis our trade is different, and it's always something to learn. I'm excited to see Ed Martin. Ed also trading is the other room. I don't know. Have you seen his recaps? Amazing trader. Ed is one of the traders that I know him from very, very long time. He was a trader before even I started trading, so I know him for the last 10 years, and I watch his trades closely. He's a master of trading a small account, a small share size, without trading these penny stocks like ISPC, these garbage stocks that are pop up and down. A lot of people who don't have a lot of money, they think they should trade these ones because they're more volatile, but no. You can have a $2,000 account and grow it to $50,000 account in less than a year, trading similar to what Ed is doing. So he's posting his recaps. His members are merged with us, and we slowly put all of his education center and courses into our education center. So feel free to stop by at his room and send him some love, and definitely comment and feedback on his recaps as well. So I hope that he and his community finds a really good home inside Bear Bull Traders, and we're honored to hosting them, really. Anything from you, Brian?
no, that's it. Other than I've still got some 1,200 Tesla calls for the end of the week here,
Yeah.
and I'm hoping it'll get through 1,200 today.
And they're gonna print. So when I went long, Brian,
Yeah.
what you can do is you can actually trade the calls. The Teslas, the liquidity and open interest on options are really good. So instead of buying it at $1,000 per share, you can buy the calls. How much was the call that you bought at?
It was $27.50 or something like that. Yeah,
$27.
$27. It was expensive.
It is expensive.
Super expensive.
Yeah,
Yeah.
very expensive.
But you get,
$27.
yeah, but you get a nice move on them.
Yeah,
for sure.
excellent. So
Better
Apple
percentage move. Yeah.
reaping higher. I think the market is just strong. It's gonna probably stay strong. Amazing. Anyways,
Yeah,
well,
it's
thank you,
gonna
Jeremy
be,
Powell, to help get rich, get richer. He doesn't stop until the one person owns everything, apparently. But joke aside, it's just a good time to be a trader. See you in Vancouver in 2 weeks. Well, this is the Thanksgiving weekend for Americans. So happy Thanksgiving, all my American friends. Remember, Thursday the market is closed. Friday is a half day. So we will be trading, but how would that be? I don't know really. So see how it goes.
Yeah, usually Fridays are the open's a little active, and then the volume and price really dies off. So
Exactly.
yes, so we'll see what happens there.